Looking to get more out of your MacBook? In this video, we're counting down some of the best accessories that can seriously upgrade your daily workflow, whether you're working, studying, or just enjoying your device. From productivity boosters to must-have convenience tools, there's something here for every type of user and budget. And as always, you'll find updated links for all the products down in the description. Let's get started! At number 7, we have the Moken 7-in-1 USB-C hub. This is a great pick if you're tired of constantly juggling adapters and just want a simple all-in-one solution. It's ideal for MacBook users who need more ports on the go, whether you're working from home or traveling. You get 4K HDMI output at 60 Hz, which means smooth, sharp visuals when connecting to an external monitor. Perfect for productivity or creative work. The USB 3.0 ports let you plug in your keyboard, mouse, or storage devices with fast, reliable performance, while the SD and micro SD card slots make it super convenient for photographers or content creators. It's not the most premium hub out there, but for the price and versatility, it absolutely earns its spot at number 7. At number 6, we have this adjustable ergonomic laptop stand. If you spend hours working on your MacBook, this is one of those upgrades you feel immediately. It raises your screen closer to eye level, helping reduce neck and back strain during long sessions. The adjustable height makes it easy to find a comfortable position, while the open design improves airflow to keep your laptop cooler. It's sturdy overall, though a bit stiff to adjust at first. Still, for comfort and portability, it's a very practical choice at number 6. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. At number 5, we have the Macally Wireless Bluetooth Keyboard. This is a great option if you want that clean Apple-style typing experience without paying premium prices. It's ideal for anyone working across multiple devices, since you can connect up to 3 and switch between them. The typing feel is quiet and responsive, perfect for long work sessions. Plus, the built-in rechargeable battery can last for months. It's not the most reliable long-term, but for productivity and versatility, it earns its place at number 5. At number 4, we have the Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Kit. This is one of those simple accessories you don't think about until you use it. If you're constantly dealing with fingerprints, dust, or smudges on your MacBook or monitor, this makes a huge difference. The streak-free formula leaves your screen looking crystal clear with just one wipe, and the microfiber cloth is soft enough to avoid scratches. It's also alcohol and ammonia-free, so it's safe for all your devices. For everyday cleaning and long-lasting value, it easily earns spot number 4. At number 3, we have the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. If you work with large files like videos, photos, or backups, this is a huge upgrade over traditional drives. It's perfect for creatives or anyone who needs fast, reliable storage on the go. With speeds up to 1050 megabytes per second, transferring big files feels almost instant. Plus, it's built to last with water, dust, and drop resistance, so you don't have to worry when traveling. It's a bit pricey, but for performance and peace of mind, it easily earns number 3. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. At number 2, we have the magnetic privacy screen for MacBook. This is a must-have if you often work in public places like cafes, airports, or shared offices. It keeps your screen visible only to you, protecting sensitive information from prying eyes. The magnetic design makes it incredibly easy to attach or remove in seconds, and it also reduces glare and blue light, which helps during long sessions. It can slightly dim the screen, but for privacy and eye comfort, it's a smart pick at number 2. At number 1, we have the In-Case Icon Sleeve with Woolenex. If you carry your MacBook around daily, this is the kind of protection that just makes sense. It's ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to keep their laptop safe without adding bulk. The combination of a durable exterior and soft padded interior means your MacBook stays protected from bumps and scratches while still looking sleek and minimal. The magnetic closure is quick and secure, making it super convenient on the go. It doesn't have extra pockets, but what it does really well. Clean design, solid protection, and long-term durability. That's why it confidently takes the number 1 spot.